Leo. This is your channel messages for the 12th of April. Leo, your channel messages. Me and some gal can't friend again. Nah, friend again. Fire upon the pussy them. Me and some boy can't friend again. Nah, friend again. Leo, I'm getting you want a reunion. I'm getting you want you and these women to reunite, and you want you and them to have a baddie shot o'clock. You want you and them to have this big reunion. I'm getting everybody's cooperating except one, and the one that's not cooperating is saying to you that you and them can't friend again, not friend again. Somebody refused to accept your olive branch. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Leo. We have Leo. Me and some gal can't friend again, nah friend again. Fire upon the pussy them. Me and some gal can't friend again. Me getting you and some girl can't friend again, nah friend again. Me getting. All right, Leo, you need to be wary. You know how girls will hang around each other because them bored, them need company. People will hang around you. Leo, you gonna notice this girl always a hang around you. I'm getting the girl up in you. Is the girl Asian? Leo, I'm getting you used to talk to this Asian girl. You and her was friends. I'm getting she up in you, she in you. Yeah, she trying to swap destinies with you. You notice that everything you wear, she wear. Everything you do, she do. You need to, I'm getting you're saying, oh, the girl is so. You're saying that the girl never do nothing to you wrong. Yet the girl envious and jealous of you. And we are women. Men don't know this. We can hide it very good. Especially when it comes down to each other. So I'm getting something about, I'm getting you're alone. These women want you and them to reunite, and you're saying no. And these people are like, Leo, yeah, everybody's on board except Leo. Tell them for go. Tell them say you don't want a friend from them. You're not eating at the same table them eating at. Cause I don't know if you're famous online, you're popular. I'm getting somebody want come infiltrate what you do. Them want sit down and watch you do what you're doing online for know how to copy you. And then, I guess, abandon you. Sorry. We have the 6, yeah, what do you do online? You get a lot of attention. A lot of people know you. Yeah, you're famous. Or if you're not famous, you're getting there. That means everybody wants to be seen out with you. The more famous you get, and the more you need to build in your head, stay inside. I'll tell you that. The more famous you get, and the more you have to stay your blood clot yard. If you go out in a car where you and the person go out and you go to the event, go in a one car and come back. Me getting you want go out and mingle with the commoners. Sweetie, you're famous. You cannot mingle with the commoners. All the commoners want your seat. We have the 5 of Cups, and them want your mantle, because you're famous. Remember, you're famous. Any man them see you with, them are going to try for break it up. You're famous. You can't have fame and love. And the 2 of Wands, and we also have, maybe you are dating this guy. Me getting you don't know it. I don't know if you know how famous you really is. Just because you're not getting likes or subscribes, that don't mean people not watching you. You see, there's something called triangulation. What that is when a man will keep a compare to another woman. Maybe that's what's happening. You and a girl fall out because this man it's called triangulation. It's a part of a dark psychology technique. They will keep comparing you to another girl. They must say, oh, you know, you're not as nice as my ex. You know, my ex never yelled at me. Them keep a compare to them ex, them keep a compare to future women. It's called triangulation. Them want you to feel like you can lose them at any moment, so you have to compete. I would never compete with a bitch. Never. And if a man put me in a position to compete with a bitch, I will leave you with that bitch and your bitch ass. Yeah, I will leave you and that bitch with your bitch ass. I will leave the problem. Ain't no fucking way. I have to be the first choice and the only blood clot choice. The first and the only. Not the first choice between 2 women. Me have to be the only one and your first choice. If my ask if you want me and you think I don't want you, zoop, my pussy dry. Me don't get horny no more. Once me know you fuck another girl, it's not about for me, it's not about forgiving you. Me don't feel sexually attracted to you anymore. That's how I feel. My vagina not gonna get wet. it now go, you have to do things, or you have to use lubrication if I have sex with me, because I know say you're not faithful to me. I'm not gonna get wet. So the sexual experience not going to be good for me either. That's how my body and my brain work. If in my head, me like, oh, him interested in me, him want me alone, okay. Like Benny Blanco, even though you know these Jews have really good media training, you know how Benny Blanco talk about Selena Gomez, him can get head anytime, anywhere, anyhow. Because there's a certain attraction when a man show wanting to you, than when a man act like him not want you. Him act like him tough. Okay, sir, you're tough just like the dick that is not hard. Is that, maybe that's what it is? Me getting some girl, somebody want you to be friends with this girl. I don't know if the girl famous. I don't know if you're famous and them sending this girl to be friends with you. Tell them say you don't want no blood clot friend. I could have girl, I could have blood clot man. You don't want a fucking friend. Especially jealous friend, stalker friend, bitches who take back your information. Bitches who is recording your conversations while you and them is having a normal heart-to-heart. You don't want a blood clot friend from them. Tell them say you will friend other successful people. The strength card is clarified by the Tower. Yeah, me getting this is a sabotage of your career. This is a sabotage when it comes on to, yeah, me getting friends. Okay, so it's me getting as a friend them while you're left behind. Me getting you had some friends. Me getting you leave them behind. You don't talk to them no more, or maybe they could not come on a spiritual journey with you. So me getting your friend them a fuck up everything for you. You think you're better than me? Can you get put on? Yes. I'm joking, right? Yeah. Me getting your friend them a do this to you. Is your ex-friends or them a do it to you because you don't have friends? No, you still can have friends and them watch you go through struggle. Those are the friends I don't keep. I don't want a friend from you. As a matter of fact, you see, if you not help me, I don't want a friend from you. I don't want to sit down with you and we talk about our problems and pray to God it will be better. You can't help me? No, I don't want a friend from you. None. I don't want none. I'm not the type of bitch to sit down with you and vent everything what I got through and both of us just sit down there wondering if God can give us a better life and we just want to hang out and be bored. No. What are you doing with your life? You have a lifestyle, you have a project you're working on. You have to be ambitious too. And just because you don't have no money yet, it don't mean you're ambitious. What are your daily routines? What, you have any personal goals, or your goals is only for your boss and going to that job? Is your goals only money? What else is your goals? If you can't help me, I don't want a friend from you. None. That's not a friend. Friends don't watch friends struggle. Me getting, but yeah, get famous. And that's why you're struggling. And let me tell you something. You see, if you notice you're getting famous, but it's like you know, say a lot of people know you, but for some reason when you ask for certain services, you get a pushback. It's because people are trying to humble you. You're famous, you make it in the business, you're okay, but people around you jealous. So them are give you the service below what them would have given a usual client. Them are gonna make you wait extra longer. Because them need to make you in your head say, Jesus, but me up on the right track, why people not treat they want to humble you. It's because of jealousy. So yeah, the Tower, be getting your friend them, be getting your friends, your friends, man. So, some friends you used to hang out with them sell you out. That's why we ain't friends anymore. Because you a sellout, bitch. You a sellout fucking in a car, bitch. What is the Six of Wands? The Six of Wands is the Hangman. Because you're going to realize somebody don't want your friendship. Them just want to be seen with you. That's why if you're at home and you call them for help, them not help you. But say make we go out where there's cameras in the restaurant. I better them get up and dress up and go. I don't want a blood clot friend. You can't help me. Why are you my friend? To hear my business, we can talk to YouTube for that. Five of Cups is clarified by the Three of, yeah, is a setup. You hear? Five of Cups, Three of Cups, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is a setup. Next thing them are gonna play this huge prank on you. Them are gonna make you friend a girl and this girl know a guy. And the girl and the guy are gonna be together, but it's gonna come out in the public say how two and of the same man. It'll come out in the public how the man have sex with you and have sex with she. It'll come out in the public say the man left you for your friend. You don't know nothing what go on, you know. But me getting that's what the business wants. That's what they want. They need pictures of you and these people. Because them say a pictures is worth 1,000 words. That's true. But you see a picture with a title on it, it only represents one thing. Them can sit straight away out to dinner and laugh and have a good time. You hear said two away a side bitch for the man. You hear said the man left me for she a week prior to and we came back and sang Kumbaya. Bitch, you crazy? The 2 of Wands is clarified by the death. Next thing, them set you up. Look how much upcoming rising celebrity and TikTok stars get set up by them friend. Gone a foreign country, in a hotel, get drug and overdose and dead. Look on the girl who they go up on the hotel thing and she get locked up in the freezer. She a roam. I'll get like me say one time I tell the story already. I'm going to tell it again. One time me get a job at Marriott. Marriott hotel. Me get one job. And when me get the job for some reason, I stop me in another place and I cry. I cry for no reason. Then when I look on the employee list, I see them spell my name wrong. Then I start to walk up and down because we had one day to check out the resort. Something happened. I don't know. It feel like magic magic in the place. You know the Marriott is Masonic, right? The Marriott Hotel and Travelodge, them are Masonic places. That's why anybody will go there, they're mad out. The let me show you something. So a couple years ago when they trafficked me as a kitchen sink for $503, I was in room 503. But they keep it for proof. When they keep it for proof, somebody in the hotel, them Masonic. Now this a window. Me get this from Travelodge. The same hotel where them did traffic me and put me in and them claims them I was an Asian girl locked up in the hotel room because of gambling money were owed. That's what the news did say. And me. She wasn't Asian. A Travelodge, the girl did there. Me, $503, them sell her for a kitchen sink. Ask Kennedy Shelter about it. Me keep it. Because I say I want proof. When me actually get laced with, me touch something with fentanyl and drop down. And when I go to the hospital, them wanted to take everything from me. I'm going to start freak out and say, no take no blood clotting from me. Me in a hospital, drop down. Next thing I tell them, I never give you nothing. And the white girl was like, okay. I take it, I keep it with me. All this time. For proof, somebody there blood clot, Travelodge. For proof, somebody there's no proof, somebody I get traffic. You don't prove it. But yes, I'm a drop down. So you see Travelodge and Wyndham and Marriott, them are Masonic building. What does that mean? Them will sacrifice them blood clot employees. When I was at Marriott, I start walk up and down and me know how, yes, let me tell you something about me. Me know how magic feel. You see when somebody's doing magic on you, me know how me can catch it same time. You see if somebody in front of me and them do magic on me, me can catch it exact, me can know then and there say you do magic. And when me in a Marriott, my memory start to go away in a Marriott hotel. Then I can't find my way back to my room. And I said, this is crazy. I know it's a big hotel. I've stayed at hotels before. For some reason, I cannot find my way back to the room. I then made it in the room and there was a painting in the room, the same painting, and it was in the room of all the hotel rooms. With this man on a boat of fish. That fucking painting was haunted too. And of course, the average person won't believe me. But me end up, they just asked somebody to come for me and pick me up. Me never went back. And I'm sure enough people say, look where you have nice hotel job. Is an Asian girl was there too. One Asian girl did teach. One Asian girl did kind of help train me too on the first day. And me left by the second day. And I know people that been like, look where you get the good. It was a couple, one Indian couple, they give me the job. And you could have lived in the hotel too. I'm in the hotel room and everything. For some reason, I don't know what happened. I'm say me left this blood clot today. I'm going to pack up and I left. I'm going to ask somebody for drop them. I just left the people and I'm going to get dropped back down there again. I'm going to say to myself, Vanessa, why you leave? Look how you have a good, you're staying on one hotel, Marriott. me gonna tell you something. And God, if I lie, kill me to blood clot day. God, if what me feel in my soul is not right, kill me today. Me know when I building sacrifice them clients, me can tell. And the way how me feel at Marriott, me feel like me gonna get lost or me gonna get locked in a one room and dead. That's how me just feel. I'm a left. I'm never call them back. The lady said, oh, if you want come back, you can. Me say, fuck that. That hotel room and this store, that hotel room, it feel possessed and me did I cry and me leave. You see, this one, me I scream out in this room. Beer nice, beer screaming. Yeah, possession lick me at a travel lodge. Possession lick me there. Anyways, the death card. So maybe you're supposed to take a foreign travel to go somewhere to reunite with some friends. Then I'm gonna set you the fuck up. And let me tell you something. You see, if you want to leave a woman and you always post your shit online and you post your glamorous life and every year you take trip gone back a foreign country. For make everybody see say you come down. I'm gonna tell you something. You're going to go to there, you're going to go to your foreign country. I bet you're Jamaica. Yeah, Leo. Y'all go to Jamaica, go on to Jamaica again. Go on to Jamaica. Yeah, you think people now watch you? You think people now pray upon you? You think your own family member them now pray upon you? Even if you're not a Leo, go back to Jamaica again. Same friend them where you left there, them gonna fuck you there again. The death card and the 2 of Wands, you can't say I never warn you. The 10 of Wands is, you're gonna get you go Jamaica, them gonna thief your passport. Them gonna rip up your passport. And you see what going with Trump now? Lose your US green card or your US passport now in a foreign country. An embassy have a call. And them gonna say, ma'am, you You hear me tell you? Cause me getting some girl, some friend where you don't know or you used to know. I don't know if people want to come over where you there and visit you. Right? You notice say your technology I get fucked. Yeah, are your friend where you did have from a yard. The girl has set you up, you know, say what happened? And every day she tell you don't stay in a hotel, come stay with me. That's what she telling you. Your friend them is telling you to come stay with them, don't stay in a hotel. You hear me tell you, them are gonna kill you and rob you, cause they don't like you. You got out. The fuck you gone back. I see a video with Nipsey Hussle brother who argue with one man. Listen, if you come here, you better come here to make peace. You dumbass nigga. You know see how your blood clot brother dead? You see? This is why sometimes you can take the nigga out of the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out of the nigga. Him dead there argue with this other black man. Two of them up in the face. Them a protest. Sir, you know see how your blood clot brother dead? You should have packed up your family and blood clot left. You should have packed your family up and leave. See, you can be a rich nigga but an idiot nigga. You can be a rich nigga but a dumbass nigga. You see how your brother dead? Where you gone back into the lifestyle for? You see how your brother pass. You saw London don't have... London, she name? London Lauren? She don't have nobody else right now. Where the fuck you gone? What the fuck you protest for? Black Lives Matter. The whole of the money for Black Lives Matter was spent among 5 niggas who bought houses. The fuck you stand up for? Sir? Me didn't meet people who have money but them never want to leave the ghetto. I'ma say, well, I can't come back. And them say you can't come back and the ghetto, I have money now. Sir, you have money. You don't have protection against envy, jealousy, or spite. If you go there, I'm getting them, I'm gonna rob you. And remember the girl in America. One girl in America, where she did marry one Jamaican man and come down there, and her whole documents they get robbed. At Jamaica, and she never have no money, nothing, and nothing can tell me say it's not the Jamaican man what she married that was my friend. Nothing can tell me say I never him set her up. She come down there with must say 100,000 Jamaican and passports. Them went to somewhere to eat and left. Him tell her for leave. Well, me don't know who tell who. The fucking couple. That's what me I said to. How you married and you and your husband stupid? Is there not one person in a relationship who can attack a motherfucker if you need to? Two on dumb, two on not violent. So another person, yeah. If anything happens to two on two chicken a run away. Your girl can't hold on her for her own. Your man can't hold on him own too. The girl came to Jamaica for marry this guy, I didn't know the guy. KC guy. I not call him name, KC guy. And the whole her shit you get robbed out of the van. You gonna tell me say it's coincidental? She come to Jamaica with 100,000. And them take her passport too. Perhaps them duplicate our documents in Jamaica, forget and go back up. Continue going back to your nice foreign country. Here, go boast and brag about the money where you make for all the years. Summer is coming up, I know you want to travel. Travel this summer, ma'am. Go to your country and go spend money and have a big party like what you do every year. Your friend them gonna fuck you. 5 of Pentacles you're now gonna get for coming back. Me guessing you're there foreign country for a very long time. All them have to do is tear your passport, you get fucked. You can't board no flight if one passport page tear or missing, you get fucked. I'm guessing you have so much people around you because you have so much money around you, you don't know who and what. You don't know if it's your brother or your sister. You don't know. God gave you an opportunity for left the fucking ghetto, you gone back. For fucking what? You know much people never get out? You know much people wanted to get out and go US Embassy and get denied? 35,000, 20,000 gone down the drain? You know much people want to get out of the ghetto? Who want to make a living? And you're making a living and you're gone back. Go do what? Go hype on people say you got out, them are gonna fuck you. That's why I'm saying I'm not go back. Unless I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna go back. I'll go back when I have money for go back and spoil the people in Jamaica. I'm not go back to Jamaica, go hang out with a family or a friend, for go spend no money and go Port Royal, on the beach, go eat fish. No, and I saw Jamaica stay. I come from there, I know Jamaica. You think you know Jamaica, girl, you come out of Jamaica. You know say you're not even one of the average Jamaican people. The average Jamaican never leave the ghetto. The average Jamaican get pregnant before the age of 18. The average Jamaican man have a baby before the age of 18. The average Jamaican man dead before 25. You get a chance for left the ghetto, you gone back. You can take the ghetto. You can take the girl out of the ghetto and fly her to another country. And sometimes when you take the girl from the ghetto and fly her to another country, she whitewash. You see others, you will take them from the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out of them. You can't take the ghetto out of them. You can't. Born and raised. Born and raised. Produce, production, everything made in, yes sir, yeah. We have Pisces. You're dealing with a Pisces? Or a Pisces that try to lower you for go back. Don't go back. Taurus. Me getting a Pisces and a Taurus. You'll get fucked if you go back. You hear me tell you? Human and sex trafficking. Pisces, Taurus. We have Shark and we also have Secret Society. Was also getting somebody while you're relocating into this big house, but I'm getting a you alone in there. Do not go. Someone don't know say houses have spell on it. That's why young people not for buy a house when they're young. Save the money and wait till you're older. It's like a tie you. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.